Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add text-to-speech voiceovers to your Canva videos. Perfect for faceless content, YouTube Shorts, Reels, or explainer videos. So let's get onto the video directly. So first of all, you have to go to the canva.com and click Create a Design, and then for video 2018 into 1924 shorts. How can you imagine click this? Then you have to upload clips or use templates to build your video layout. So you can now upload your clips or use templates to video layout. Um, let's now we can upload and select the videos I want to add. Here now we have to silent the music and then next we have click that we have
ট্রেনটির গন্তব্যস্থল উত্তরা
here. Now it's silent. So now we have to then now we can play that on screen how it looks. It will look like now what we have to do is we have to give some text to speech. Right, so for that on the left menu, we will select the apps and then we have to search for text to speech. For your kind information, let me tell you that this AI is recently uploaded to the Canva. So we is way better option than any other text to speech services that they are in the market. So then you have to select text to audio or text, AI text to speech, and then open the tool. Mm, you can see if we give some text here, it will generate some speech, or we can just paste in a script for short paragraph for please. And so for now, let me give a prompt like it's very refreshing and calming especially if it's a metro rail. And let's just generate voice. We go for main. Let's generate voice. Okay, it's generating some voice. As you can see, it has already given the audio and also added into the video. Play and listen how it's joy.
It's very efficient today.
As you can see, it's a very professional for hearing, and we can also add more to the script. So for that, we can go to Chat GPT and Chat GPT will generate a 50 generate a 50-second speech on a metro rail journey. Okay, now it's generating this one. So let's just copy it and put that together. Yeah, some just some words. So it's can be understandable that we are using the free version. So we have to use only 50 words and it can generate. We can do a trick here. We can generate 50 words and edit here, and then another 50 words and then also edit here. We can do that if we want to use speed, or you can also use other text to voice generator services, paid or paid or free, if you can find. So if to pick the voice from the drop down, as we have just selected the main, and we can also add to design to insert it in your timeline. It's already on my timeline, so let's listen to that.
It's very efficient today.
Okay, so for better results, you can also sync voiceover to the videos. Drag the audio clips to align like this. So right again, I adjust video timing or trim audio as needed. And also add background music if you want to lower volume. And let me give you some final tips that break long scripts into smaller chunks for being pacing, as I've already told you that, and you can use animate to match text visuals with speech. That means you can add some words or something like that. And you can also perfect for tutorials, product demos, storytelling, and faceless videos. And that's how you add text to speech to Canva video, fast, free, and no editing software needed. So let's now go to share and download it in MP4 format and download it. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want full Canva voiceover plus caption automation workflow next. Till the next video.